Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to play Candy Crush on your laptop. The only truly reliable and authentic way to enjoy this popular game on your computer is by utilizing an Android emulator. This software creates a virtual Android device right on your desktop, enabling you to download and run mobile applications seamlessly. It ensures you experience the game exactly as it was designed, with all its features and familiar interface, providing a consistent and enjoyable gaming session. To begin, you will need to choose a reliable Android emulator. Popular options include BlueStacks, Nox Player, and LD Player, all known for their stability and performance. When making your selection, consider your computer's specifications. Most emulators recommend at least 4 GB of RAM and a modern processor for smooth operation. A good emulator will provide a seamless bridge between your laptop and the mobile gaming world, ensuring a responsive and enjoyable experience. After selecting your emulator, the next step is installation and setup. First, download the emulator's installer from its official website. The installation process is straightforward, typically taking only a few minutes. Once installed, launch the emulator, which will prompt you to sign in with your Google account, just like a new Android phone. This step grants you access to the Google Play Store, where you can easily search for Candy Crush Saga and install it onto your virtual Android device. With Candy Crush Saga installed, you are ready to play. Simply launch the game from the emulator's home screen. You will use your laptop's mouse to interact with the game, effectively simulating touch gestures for precise control. For the best experience, consider exploring the emulator's settings. You can often adjust display resolution, allocate more virtual RAM, or fine-tune graphics to ensure smooth gameplay, especially if you have an older machine. Enjoy countless hours of matching candies on your big screen.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.